Do you want to unmute story on Messenger? You can unmute someone's story on Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unmute a story on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook Messenger, tap your three horizontal line menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. A new screen will appear. From here, select Settings. Now, you are on the Messenger settings screen. Scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Privacy and Safety. On the next screen, scroll down to the What People See section and tap Story Controls. Again, a new screen will appear. Tap on Stories you have muted. You will now see a list of people whose stories you have muted. Find the person you want to unmute and tap the Unmute button next to their name. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Show. The person's story will now be unmuted, and their future stories will appear at the top of your Messenger again.